What gets me out of my bed in the morning is my passion to fight for the little guy. Anybody that's in a disadvantaged position, somebody that's hurt due to the negligence or recklessness of another person or entity, it is our job to make sure that their voice is heard and that any perpetrators or wrongdoers are held accountable. Desai law is different, I believe, because of the passion that each person in this office embodies. The number one criteria to work at Desai law is you gotta have a strong sense or passion for justice, for fighting for the little guy. You have individuals in here that don't just see this as a job, but see this as an opportunity to truly help somebody and make a difference in somebody's life. We have Sam Dollywall, he's an associate attorney. Grayson Bevan, he's been with me since day one. And we also brought on Bailey Longwell, who's our medical analyst. Sam and I are the ones that are representing the individuals to other parties or insurers, and our team equips us with what we need. Grayson is the one that will gather the evidence and the medical records, the police reports, gather the documentation.
He's on top of everything. I could reference the first name of someone, and he knows exactly who the client is.
He knows Desai law better than I think any of us. He knows how to do everything.
And Bailey is the one that's able to sift through the medical records with her medical knowledge and really bring our attention to what we need to focus on as advocates.
I'm just an attorney, right? I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse. So what she may point out to me is something that, the general person would overlook. Even me, who's reviewed thousands and thousands and thousands of medical records. I may miss things that otherwise she knows exactly where to look.
Working bedside on a trauma unit for 9 years, day to day you see a lot of different things. We do a lot of things that may not seem important to people that don't work in the medical field or haven't worked in the medical field, but at the end of the day are very important. Anything I did at the hospital, I had to chart. And the medical records are just a summary of everything that I've charted for 9 years. So I kind of know where to look and find those things quickly.
We've been able to help a lot of people. We've gotten a lot of great results. We've gotten results that we think other law firms couldn't have achieved, quite frankly. And we've gotten really good results on cases that were turned down by other law firms. Desai Law was formed in January 2023. Prior to that, I was a partner at various different law firms. And I wanted to do my own thing. I wanted to practice law differently. And I think we've been wildly successful in the past 2 years. It's been nothing short of a blessing. We've been able to grow our team. We've achieved millions of dollars in recoveries. But again, to us, it's not about the dollar value, right? Every case is different. We've helped a tremendous amount of people.
Chirag specifically is just a very excellent team leader. You can tell that he really cares about his clients. He cares about doing the right thing, and it kind of just trickles down into our small team that we've got.
I really enjoy being in the position that I'm in to be able to help people. And again, it's the little guy. It's the disadvantaged. It's the unheard. It's the powerless.
We're a family, and we're all here fighting for the little guy.
And there's not one person that has come through these law firm doors and left in a worse predicament than what they came in with.